sure did learn a lot about animals today, and it was great to celebrate with some of the animals.
Yeah, it's really important to be supportive of the animals here at the Lincoln Park Zoo because they help us learn so much about the animals like them in the wild. But it's important when visiting the zoo to ask some questions.
That's right. Like, what size enclosure do animals really need?
And what are the animals' experience with humans and how much should we interact with them?
What does it mean that all of the animals we saw today were born in this zoo or another zoo?
And we should also keep in mind the importance of celebrating animals' birthday and how they would want to do it rather than how we would want to do it.
Let's remember that these animals are here to help educate us about all the animals in the rest of the world and how conservation is a serious topic, and we hope we shed some light on it for you today.
Thanks for coming with us.
Bye.
Bye. And Casey, can I have that cookie from earlier?
No. Amazing.
That was good.